Hello students, welcome back to the class. In today's class, we are going to study about reproduction in animals. Now look at this picture. Here you can see some animals. Here, some of them they give birth to babies. Some they lay egg. For example, look at the top, you can see here a bird. This bird and this crocodile and the snake, they lay egg and they produce their young ones, whereas this deer, lion, they give birth to babies. So there are two way of reproduction. One is by giving birth to baby, another one is by laying egg. So let's study deep about this. So in this chapter you're going to study why animals need to reproduce, how different animals reproduce, and how animals take care of the young ones, and also a life cycle of hen, frog, and cockroach and butterfly. Okay, now let's see how they reproduce and take care of their young ones. Now here you see, just like animals, even human beings, they give birth to babies. Now usually they give birth one baby, but in rare cases they give birth more than one baby. If two babies are born at the same time, you call it twins. Supposing if it is three babies at the same time, you call it triplets. Here you can see another picture where a mother is having three baby. You're going to see one more picture of three baby. Here you see four babies born at the same time. You call them quadruplets. This is one more picture where four babies are born at the same time. Look at this here. You can see five babies born at the same time. Quintuplets. You call them quintuplets. One more. Now, let's see about the parts of an egg. There is an outer shell that protects the egg. At the center of the egg lies the yolk. Look at this yolk. This is yolk, that yellow color part. It contains a growing baby. It contains a growing baby called the embryo, which develop into chick. The yolk contains the food for the embryo. Now, around the yolk is a white glue-like liquid called albumin, but the spelling is albumin, but you pronounce it albumin. It protects the embryo and supply food and water to the embryo. Now look at this. This is actually the egg of a uh, cockroach. Now look at the baby, how the baby looks. The baby looks just like the parent. So you call it NYMP, NYMPH. And this baby, it keep on shed the skin many times before it change into adult. This process is called molting. That is, shedding the skin before the new one grows is called molting. Here you can see how the uh, chicken develop, the life cycle of a hen. First it's lay egg and it sit on the egg and hatch the egg. After 21 days, it helps the bird to come out. It break the shell and the chicks come out. After 4 or 5 weeks, you can see how the young chick look, and this is the adult chick. Now this is the life cycle of a frog. You can see usually frog they lay hundreds of egg. Now when the egg hatch, tiny baby frogs called tadpoles comes out of them. The tadpole has a tail and looks like a fish. See how they look? It swims in water and eats water plants. Later, it grows legs. Here you can see the legs. The tail also becomes shorter and disappear finally. See this picture, you don't see any tail. Gradually, the tadpole changes into an adult frog. This is another picture of life cycle of a frog and the life cycle of a cockroach. Here you can see the life cycle of a butterfly. Butterfly, it lay eggs on the top of a leaf. Okay, and the young one look totally different from the parent insect. Look at the parent insect. So this is called larva. It is also called the larva of a butterfly look like a worm. It is called caterpillar. This worm stage is called caterpillar. The caterpillar eats a lot of leaves and grows. It then make a shell around its body. This shell is called cocoon, and the caterpillar goes inside the cocoon, and this stage is called pupa. It goes for a long sleep. The caterpillar shed its skin many times. Finally, a butterfly comes out of the cocoon. Now this is called incubator. Usually, the people who are doing hen business, they have this. They keep a incubator. They hatch the egg artificially. They set up a box where they keep the egg, and they produce artificial heat by from the light. And when it's time to reproduce, when hatching time, they have break the shells and help the young ones to come out. Similarly, even the case of human being, no, sometimes the children, they are supposed to born after 9 months, but there are cases where the child will born at the end of seventh or eighth month. So you call premature baby. These babies they keep in the incubator. So after a period of time, when the child can grow with the mother, they bring back from the incubator and give it to the mothers. Now this you can see how the young ones are coming out of the egg. Now here you can see how the fish is laying egg, and how the turtle is coming out of the egg, and here you can see crocodile. Now talking about crocodile, uh, it has got something very special. A female crocodile, it dig a hole in the ground and lay eggs. She then cover the egg with dirt. After 2 or 3 months, the young ones, when they are ready to hatch, the mother crocodile remove the dirt and help the young one to come out. Okay, so this is a speciality. The mother knows, she keep a mark or some dirt she keep on the egg, and she goes off. Again, she comes and she helps the baby to come out and take care of them. Look at this. This is a fish. This is actually a fish called catfish. Now, fish, no, they lay thousands of eggs in water at a time. Young fishes hatch from the egg. Many eggs and young fishes are unprotected because many other fishes come in. They will eat the eggs and go. Now, this is a catfish. It is having thousands of egg in its mouth. I will show you another picture. This is another picture of a catfish. This is also a catfish. Catfish. Now this fish is called jawfish. Now this jawfish, no, they carry their developing babies in the mouth. Now here you can see how the bird, it is inside the egg. When it is time, it will break the shell, or the mother bird will break the shell and help the young one to come out. This is another picture where the young ones are coming out. Here you can see how the cockroach is laying the egg. This is actually a tadpole, young one of a frog. Look how it looks like, just like a fish, and it has got a tail. Now you can see the small leg, hand and legs coming out. Now we have come to the end of the class. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you all. God bless you.